The major difference between thick bleach and your normal bleach is just in the viscosity. They all stand to solve the same purpose at home: to clean, to sanitize, to disinfect. But specifically, thick bleach can be made for the use of toilet wash or as a replacement in the absence of Harpic. Hi, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Bam Glam of Bam Glam DIY. So today I'll be showing you how to make thick bleach. So the first thing I did was to measure out my Texapon gel, and then I added a table salt to it. This will help to break the bonds in the Texapon gel to allow it to be able to thicken up when we add in the water or any other fluid liquid that we want to add to it. So first of all, measure out the Texapon gel, and then you add in the salt. You mix thoroughly before you add in the water. So I'm going in with 250 ml of neat water, neat. So just mix thoroughly, mix it perfectly to make a slurry out of the combination of the Texapon and salt and then the water. You'll see it actually thickening up. For the 250 ml of water, I didn't add all at once. You saw I just added a little bit to mix it well so that I will get a creamier texture before I go in with the rest of the water. So any which way you want to make it, just feel free to do what you can do. Now the texture is looking more like an SLS and sulfate kind of mixture, if you know what I mean. All the same, this is our base for this production. So from now on, we can now continue. The last video in this my channel, I showed you how to make bleach at home, a quality top notch bleach at home. If you can remember the video vividly, we need to actually decant from that quantity of bleach we made to be able to complete this production. Like I said, it's thick bleach. So this is the recipe on the screen. You can actually screenshot it. So what I did was to first measure out 500 ml of the bleach concentrates and added to the Texapon and stirred. I will add in an extra 500 ml to complete it 1 liter. In total, I need 1 liter of the bleach concentrate and then 250 ml of water that we used in diluting the Texapon. I hope it's quite understood. So as you see me pouring the bleach, you can actually count with me. One of my measuring Pyrex cup is 250 ml. So once you are done mixing everything together, you have your thick bleach. If you want to adjust anything in this production, like viscosity, you can actually move from 80 grams of Texapon to almost 100 grams of Texapon. Meanwhile, let's continue and see how the after product will look like. Do well to encourage me by liking my video, subscribing to my channel, and also putting on your notification bell. Also do me well by sharing my videos to people, and the more you like, the more this video will go viral. Thank you all. There is actually no need adding color to your bleach because the name is bleach. Bleach will always bleach away colors. But for the purpose of this video, to make the production more appealing to the eye or more attractive to the eye, I'll be adding a green color, but you will see the green color will start fading immediately, just even before I pour it into the container. So please don't bother adding colors, because you may ask me in the comment section if you can add color. There is no need. If you can add fragrance, I don't think fragrance can survive with the smell of chlorine in it, but if you want to try that, you can also try it and see. This is specifically for disinfecting your house. If you want something that smells beautiful, I think you can actually make a air freshener and sell alongside. This thick bleach is most popular in Ghana. My Ghanaian persons that I have in my WhatsApp group, this is the type of bleach they are used to, while we here in Nigeria are used to the liquid ones. So depending on where you are, I think the texture in the market will determine the type you want to produce. In the comment section of this video and also the description box, I will drop the link for how to make the liquid type of bleach, so you can try it out and then proceed into making your own thick bleach. You can actually see the color is already fading off while sampling it, but it's actually a very nice production. It's nice, it's beautiful. Allow your bubbles to settle. You package, you can just package immediately, it will settle inside the container. You can see how thick it is. If you want it more concentrated, you can reduce the quantity of fluid that was actually used to make this production. So once you are done, package it. Make sure you use a very strong opaque white container. Don't use Coke plastic, don't use any tin container. It will blow, it will melt, it will dissolve. Please make sure it is a strong container. You know, the ones that is used for shampoos and conditioner, that very strong one is okay, but don't use this you are seeing here now. Use the white one.